We've seen some localized flooding, and that was the case yesterday across downtown West Palm Beach. Some areas up to 2 inches with poor drainage and a lot of construction. It was not a pretty sight, and we could do a repeat today, tomorrow, as we have more rain in the forecast. But for now, waking up to some dense fog. We have a dense fog advisory across inland Palm Beach County this morning through 8 a.m. Patchy dense fog still expected at least to linger through then. You could still see some more developing across inland portions of the Treasure Coast to Okeechobee County and also near Boca. Definitely looking at the dense fog down into Broward and Dade County as well. Waking up though otherwise in the upper 60s this morning. Winds out of the northwest, fairly light, just around 5 miles per hour. Do have some lingering clouds, some patchy fog, some low clouds inland as well. Most of the storm activity that we're seeing is well offshore across the Bahamas there, but I am watching a few spotty showers already starting to inch their way towards the coast, especially across Hutchinson Island into Vero Beach, Indian River Shore. Some light rain from Fort Pierce into Port St. Lucie, some light shower activity as well. Did have a nice little downpour developing over Tequesa near Hobesound to Blowing Rocks near Jupiter to the north. No thunderstorm activity yet, but we do have storms in the forecast later today. We'll keep the isolated shower chance in the forecast for the Treasure Coast at least for the next couple of hours and along northern Palm Beach County as well. But as we hit at least 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll see a little bit more activity building in inland. Scattered rain and storms from there. 1 or 2 strong thunderstorms still very possible later in the day today. Models picking up on a little extra moisture, especially near sundown through those evening hours. So definitely plan for some rain and storm activity in the forecast. When thunder roars, you know the drill, go indoors. Lightning can strike about 10 miles away from the parent thunderstorm. It's going to feel a lot like summer today with the pattern that we're going to be dealing with. There's going to be a lot of fuel in the atmosphere for these storms to really spark up and release that very heavy rainfall. As we head into the next couple days, still impact weather for your Sunday, Monday because of the scattered rain and storms that we're expecting. A little bit drier by the midweek, but we still have to get through a cold front first, and that'll be the rain that we'll see on Monday, and that'll be associated with some cooler air behind it. Now what we're dealing with is leftover moisture, a lot of instability in our atmosphere. Take a look. Sunday morning could wake up to a couple of coastal showers just well before 7 a.m. before sunrise. As we head into the mid-afternoon, scattered rain and storms still expected through the area. Again, 1 or 2 of the storms could lean on the stronger to even severe side, especially with the daytime heating. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Late storm activity all the way past sundown, and even an evening shower or 2 possible just before 9-10 o'clock at night. So we're going to be dealing with some pretty soggy conditions. Now tomorrow, a little bit more fuel in our atmosphere. So there's potential for 1 or 2 of those storms to lean on the strong to severe side. Our whole entire pretty much southern state of Florida there is under a marginal risk for severe weather. So severe thunderstorm can produce winds up to 60 miles per hour, hail up to 1 inch. Tornado threat very low, but never zero, especially given this time of the year. So we're going to be on the lookout for any bit of rotation, especially since we're dealing with that summer pattern. We have a little bit of a sea breeze kicking in where we get those differences of winds in the different levels of the atmosphere that could lead to some spin. And if it touches ground, that could be an isolated tornado. So again, things that we're going to be on the lookout for. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a funnel cloud or 2, but nonetheless, your typical thunderstorms producing very heavy rainfall that could lead to localized flooding, the frequent lightning, and the occasional strong wind gusts. So scattered rain and storms in the day today, later in the afternoon hours through the evening. Just something to keep in mind heading into your Sunday. Could see a bit of an early start. Scattered rain and storms through the mid-afternoon all the way through those evening hours. And then here's our cold front rain starting Monday late afternoon. And then to follow the actual frontal boundary, you'll see those temperatures dropping gradually behind it, cooler air moving in. And then Tuesday is going to be one of those days where it's going to feel a little weird outside. We're going to still be dealing with some cool air, some passing quick showers, but it's going to feel very refreshing come Wednesday morning. So St. Patrick's Day, you're going to want to keep the umbrella around. Northeasterly wind 10 to 15 knots. We have the high tide passing earlier this morning, second high tide just before 5:30. High rip current risk across area beaches. You saw that lightning off into the distance. We have those storms between here and the Bahamas. So as we go into the next couple of hours, keeping a stray shower chance just before lunchtime. Better chance for some scattered activity, impact weather late this afternoon and into the evening hours. So again, take a look if you're heading out to spring training games there across South Florida or the Treasure Coast. We have that going on there for you over in the Roger Dean Stadium. Otherwise, looking good for that. We do have the potential, though, for, again, 1 or 2 strong thunderstorms in the mix there for your Sunday. So just a little something to keep in mind. Monday, some scattered rain and some thunderstorms. Come Tuesday, we start to dry things out just a little bit with a couple of passing showers. Wednesday will feel really nice. Little taste of winter. Take it while you can, because from there, our temperature is heading into the following week as we get closer to